Best deals.
1. Mobile holder. Clear up cluttered surfaces with this sleek and stylish wall phone stand. Charge your devices effortlessly with the built-in charging feature. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Door hanging hooks. Everyone can easily mount it behind the door. And this hanging hook will not leave any marks on the door. Made by carbon steel, which is sturdy and on a light weight. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bed sheet tucking tool. Multifunctional for tucking bed sheet, tucking fitted sheets and also for sofa slip covers, making all-in-one use with the multipurpose tucking tool which your home must have. Tucking tool avoids breaking of nails. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Sheet grippers. Keeps sheets in place and locks tightly without loosening easily, keeping your sheets clean. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cover clip. Just need open the lock, press the quilt and press the lock to lock it. They can be easily unlocked by opening the buckle. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Clips for mattress. Used for bed sheets, mattress pads, tablecloths, ironing board covers, slip covers and more. Duckbill clip containing soft plastics, does not will bite bed sheets and other items. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Bedroom organizer. Ideal for holding your remote, phone, and other essentials. With its sleek design, it adds an aesthetic appeal to your room while providing storage. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Waterproof mattress. Mattress stays fresh, it is without plastic cover and with a new technology that stays for quite a long time with this 100% cotton bedding defender. Texture is soft, quiet and remains firmly set up with no sound. The texture is breathable and keeps you cool, spotless and agreeable the entire evening. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lifter mover. Uses the principle of leverage, allowing you to easily lift and move heavy furniture and appliances without straining your back. The handle adopts all-enclosed soft rubber to increase friction. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Silk pillow cover. Polyester satin silk pillow cover protect delicate hair from scratches, creases and tugs, helping to reduce split ends and ensuring a night of restorative beauty sleep. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Support pillow. Made from premium super soft foam with a sculpted leg channel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Baby bed rail guard. Made from 100% non-toxic materials. Strong steel frame and breathable mesh padding, scratch resistant, comfortable to touch. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Sheet fasteners. Made from 100% nylon hook loop tape and the back material is plastic film. They are easy to peel off and sided on sticky tape, will keep fitted sheets from sliding off from corners all night and keep your bed firmly all the times. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Sheet clips. Crafted from sturdy ABS plastic that securely clasp your sheets in place, ensuring they won't slip or slide off, no matter how much you toss and turn. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Mattress protector. Is waterproof and protects mattress against any liquid spill over by a kids, pet or during regular usage. Doesn't contain PVC, vinyl. It absorbs all the natural moisture and doesn't let it seep through mattress. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Laptop tabletop stand. Has a thin, hard plastic frame. It can be easily folded and carried around. Durable enough to withstand the weight of up to 55 pounds. To prevent your computer from overheating, the laptop stand has large cutout vents and adjustable height options that allow air to circulate from all sides. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Study table. It's perfect for working, studying, writing, or enjoying meals comfortably. From adults to kids, this mini table is suitable for all ages. Take it with you wherever you go and enjoy a portable workstation at your fingertips. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Blankets. Designed for year-round use, this quilted fur comforter makes the perfect addition to any bedroom. Toss it over you when you're relaxing on the sofa during chilly fall or spring evenings, or use it as a layering piece under your quilt or bedspread in the summer. Use it in mild winter and AC room, your bedroom, guest room, dorm room, vacation home, or anywhere else. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Mattress lifter. Tool reduces fatigue, injury, potential fines, and workers' compensation claims by reducing strain to your shoulders and back while changing linens. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Phone holder. The new design lazy mount with a multifunction clip allow you to use the clip as a desktop phone or tablet stand, listen music on bed or near desk without holding your phone. The holding range can reach to 65 to 70 cm. It is universal holder for different phones or tablets under 10 inch. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Laundry baskets. The top edges of the laundry hampers are sewn with rigid iron wire rims. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Shoe organizer. Made of high quality and durable plastic to ensure your health and protect the environment, perfect for all types of shoes from stiletto heels to sneakers. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Door stopper. The most efficient solution to prevent the heat and cold from escaping during winter and summer. Reduce electric cost. Can be used on interior and exterior doors of all types. Fast and easy installation within 2 minutes. Draft seal is a efficient door insulation design. Reduce noise up to 5 times. Help your door seal well. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Mobile holder. Perfect for viewing videos on phone and enjoy music, games in bedroom, gym, office, reading, watching movies, listening to music on a table or desk. Very convenient. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Organizer. Can be used to hold smartphones, pens, pencils, letters, stationery, designed to store up to 4 remotes. This is crafted keeping in mind that it occupies minimum space. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Clips. Made of ABS material, which is thick and strong, wear resistant and durable. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Clips. You just need to open the lock, press the quilt and press the lock to lock it. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Storage organizer. Handcrafted using a double layer of soft, durable felt material, complete with 1 layer of ever support between felt layers. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Organizer. Rectangular hole at the bottom of the remote control bracket is convenient for fixing the charging mobile phone. Product link is given in the 29th link. Thanks for watching.